The Garden of Hope is a beautiful collaboration that we opened up to help patients and their caregivers along their cancer journey. They can come out and enjoy harvesting their own produce a few times a week from June through mid-October. That increases their physical function, and they have people here to help them if they need assistance, but they're moving more. And they also have access to dietitians who provide them education and safe food handling practices, provide recipes. They do garden side cooking demos. In terms of quality of life and mental health, they're out here harvesting with people going through their very same journey. It's such a beautiful space, so they just find it a peaceful place where they can harvest and enjoy being out here. It's really an extension of JamesCare for Life, which is the supportive arm of Comprehensive Cancer Center at The Ohio State University. So it's just such a joy to think we can provide a little bit better quality of life. And on the side, we also believe, and preliminary data is showing, we're improving the biology a bit as well. Waterman Farm as a facility is mainly a research institution. And you can see Garden of Hope is one of the urban community gardens. The interns and medical students and students from the College of Social Work and Public Health and dietitians in training all come out here. And they can actually help to harvest. They can volunteer their time and energy. They can learn about agriculture where they're not exposed to that in a traditional medical center classroom setting. So the Garden of Hope is a beautiful model for what a land-grant university can be.